How to solve the angles of a triangle. Example, find the measure of angle A if angle B is 55 and angle C is 45. Here in the figure angle A is unknown while angle B is 55 and angle C is 45. In a triangle, the total measure of the angles is 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. We know that angle B is 55 and angle C is 45, so angle A plus 55 plus 45 equals 180. 55 plus 45 is 100, so angle A plus 100 equals 180. Transpose 100 to the right, so angle A equals 180 minus 100. 180 minus 100 is 80, so angle A is equal to 80 degrees. Another example, find the measure of one of the angles in an isosceles triangle if one of the congruent angles is 65 degrees. Here in the figure, we have angle X and one of the congruent angles is 65 degrees, so the other is also 65 degrees since they are congruent. Since we have two 65, so X plus 2 times 65 is equal to 180. And 2 times 65 is 130, so X plus 130 equals 180. Transpose 130 to the right, so X equals 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130 is 50, so X equals 50 degrees. So here is the figure of the triangle with the measurements of the angles. Another example, find the measures of the congruent angles in an isosceles triangle if the other angle is 110 degrees. Here is the figure in which angle A and angle B are congruent and unknown while the other angle is 110 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, in which angle A is equal to angle B. Substitute angle A to angle B since they are equal, so angle A plus 110 equals 180. Combining angle A, so 2 times angle A plus 110 equals 180. Transposing 110 to the right, so we have 2 times angle A equals 180 minus 110. 180 minus 110 is 70, so 2 times angle A equals 70, and dividing 70 by 2, so we have angle A is equal 35. Since angle A is equal to angle B, so B is equal to 35. So here is the figure with corresponding angles. Another example, find the measures of the angles in a scalene triangle if the ratio of the angles is 4:3 and 3:2. In a ratio, there is always a constant, so let x be the constant of the ratio. So 4x plus 3x plus 2x equals 180. Combining x, so we have 9x equals 180, and dividing 180 by 9, so x is equal to 20. Solving for the first angle, we have 4x is equal to 4 times 20, which is equal to 80. Solving for the second angle, we have 3x is equal to 3 times 20, which is equal to 60. Solving for the last angle, we have 2x is equal to 2 times 20, which is equal to 40. So here is a triangle with angles 80 degrees, 60 degrees and 40 degrees. If you divide these angles with 20, you will get a 4:3 and 3:2 ratio.